All right, creeps, just the figures. Now, San Diego Comic-Con 2022. I'm gonna be honest. There wasn't a lot of super hype that had me excited. Wish there was, but there wasn't. But NECA came through. I'm gonna be honest. I was pretty excited about this right here, but not even remotely as close to as excited as I was about this guy right here. Because The Thing, if anybody knows me, is my favorite film of all time. I don't think anybody's ever done it better. And I don't hesitate to say that. A little bit unconventional, and I am sorry, but we're not opening both of these. And you're like, what is a drunk unboxing, man? You just hit the camera because you're intoxicated. Yeah, that's true. That's true. But honestly, I just don't have room for everything. So I'm not going to open up things that I don't have room for. But I have ideas. So don't worry. Okay? Here's the deal. We're going to open you. All right, because I got two of these guys for a reason. One of them is going open, and I have a duplicate of every Thing figure that NECA has made. There's a reason for that. We'll revisit it down the road. Call it a callback, if you would. But these guys, I just don't have room for them. As a matter of fact, like my limited amount of space has caused me not to open quite a few things. Last year's comic haul, was this thing right here. Remember this? Remember this? I still haven't opened this. I mean, I've opened it. I've looked at it, but see that? Boom. I just don't have room for it, so it stays in the box. This too will stay in the box until the future, and then I will open it up. But here's what I'll do for you. Let's go ahead and just pull this guy out of the way and do this. Check this out. Oh, sorry. You got whatever that face is. And then on the back, photos of said product. The Premonition of a PRE-MUTATION. I mean, okay, sure. I like that trash right there. Anyway. Pretty simple packaging. Old school Turtles logo on the front, on the top, and not on the bottom. Check this out. Boom. Shall we move it so you don't see me? Hey. Okay, this is the best it's going to get, so we're just going to have to rock and roll with it. So, since I'm not opening it up, I thought I'd give you guys something else. For instance, Baxter with Baxter. Hamato Yoshi with Splinter. Bebop with Bebop. And Rocksteady with Rocksteady. Sorry, let me adjust the camera. So there you go. That's them with their mutant bodies. And once I get a place that I can actually put them, because my city scape that I've built is it's already jam-packed. I just don't have room. I gotta figure something out. I live in a one-bedroom apartment, so, And let's take a closer look real quick. I think it'll be kind of interesting to display them with their counterparts. Bam. And beer, because you can't drink bacon. You know what I mean? Hot damn. Alright, so the lenticular cover is by far my favorite part. That is three-dimensional. And if there's something I love, it's 3D. Alright, so this is homage to the original movie poster. You hear that thunder rolling outside like Garth Brooks. The packaging has this nice little shine to it. And it's just, obviously the cover character. Boom. And then inside, obviously, Boom. Pretty much a figure of the lenticular cover. Doesn't seem like it comes with any accessories other than like the plain white face mask. But what we're gonna do is open it up, cause that's what you came here for, yeah. Let's do this. Actually, first we gotta find the corner that's gonna open up the easiest. Not that one. It's gonna be that one. Ooh, these are all secure, but this one... seems like it's the... Ooh, I ripped it. You know what? Doesn't matter. This one's going in my collection, so who cares? Let's do this instead. That's the only problem with a drunk unboxing. You might just fuck up. That's alright. Bum bum. Bum bum. Bum bum. Bum bum. Probably gonna watch this movie tonight. I do own 4 copies of it. So when you open it up, that's what you're gonna get inside of it, guys. And beauty, beauty it is. What is this? Let's cut these off, shall we? Snip this. Ah, you son of a bitch. Huh. I guess this comes to play. Alright, you know what? You want to play this game? Let's do it. How about that? Yeah, I didn't think so. Yeah, got it. Cool. Sorry about all the noise. Alright, let's be careful. Oh, the face isn't attached. Alright, we're learning stuff here, guys. Hold on. Ah, you fucking thing. There we go. Alright, check this out. Oh, weird. There's the shining face. Oh, would you look at that? The only thing left is the mask. Oh, shit. Which looks like it hooks into the eye sockets? Well, I'll be. Look at that face. Weird. There you go. Alright, so here is the shawl that goes around the head. Sorry, the camera won't focus. It's a piece of shit. And look at this creepy fucking head. Kind of stiff arms, but doesn't come with any other hands, just these ones. Dun, dun. Standard articulation. Looks like the same stuff they used for the Terminator 2 Liquidator, whatever he, the motorcycle cop. Pretty good articulation, right? Pretty good. Alright, how does the battery shit work? I'm gonna figure that out and we'll come back. Wait, hold on, does this just turn on? I got to buy batteries for this, son of a bitch. Alright, so I'm going to tell you this right now if you got one of these guys. You see this little fucking screw right here? First of all, you're going to need to get you a little kit. I have an electrical kit that I use. Little tiny babies. I use them for taking apart like key fobs and stuff at work because I work in the auto parts industry. But anyway, you'll spin it and spin it and spin it, and you'll hang it upside down and nothing will happen. And you're going to get frustrated and want to throw it across the room and be like, why? Why did they make it this way? You're going to need to grab a safety pin. You might want to try a bunch of other things. Guess what? I already tried them for you. You need this. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this. You're going to get it underneath of it after you've pulled it and see how it like separates right there. And then once it separates, see, it still doesn't want to fucking come out, the motherfucker. Where'd it go? Oh, there it went. Alright, let's try to get this out of there like this. See, it still doesn't want to come out, man. I spun this thing like 18,000 times. Give me a second. Anyway, this thing fucking sucks. So you get this fucking bolt out of here with fucking safety pin. Makes it easier. Now let's see if the inside has what I think it does, which is I'm hoping that it's got that little film in there that you just pull and the battery's already inside. There you go. Look at that. Heyo. It does have that. Here, let's pull this little tab. Ah, there we go. So it has this little baby in there. And then before we do anything else, oh yeah. Interesting. I, for some reason, thought it was going to be the eye sockets, but look at that. Alright, let's put this back on the back. Oh, if you put it back on, can you still turn the off switch on and off? You can. Okay. Alright, let me try to fucking figure this out real quick so I don't fuck anything up. Alright, let's try this out. Let's put this on. And then what? We're supposed to put like this thing on it? Yeah. Alright, hold on. Alright. Watch this. Heyo. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's fucking badass. Look at that. Even when the low tone light comes in. Da-da, bump, bump. Bump, bump. Sorry, my lighting is a piece of shit. Let's try the other one. Hold on. Turn that off. Alright. Plugs right into the eye holes. Alright. Let's plug it in. And then right before you put it on, boom, turn it on. Plug the head in. Fucking look at that, dude. I mean, they fucking really outdid themselves this year. This thing is badass. And I'm so glad that I grabbed two of them. And this is going to go right over there with those fellers. In that poster. And I can't wait for the monsters to come out. Absolutely spectacular.